Hi and welcome to Cryptopia's How Do I Make a Withdrawal tutorial video. You can withdraw any cryptocurrency coin held in your Cryptopia account by using our withdrawal function. Withdrawals can be made to any address, such as a personal wallet or an alternative exchange, and must match the same coin you are withdrawing. Let's start. First, log in to your Cryptopia account. You will be prompted to enter your code here. For example, this could be your PIN code or an email dynamic code sent to your registered email address. Hover your mouse over the B icon in the top right menu bar next to your username and click on Withdraw from the drop-down menu. Select the cryptocurrency you would like to withdraw from your Cryptopia account from the drop-down menu by typing either the ticker or currency name, for example, DOT, and click on the Next button. The DOT withdrawal window will now appear. Enter the amount you want to send in the Amount field, or click on the blue hyperlinked numbers of your balance to select your entire DOT balance to withdraw. Enter the wallet address you want to send the coins to in the field .coin address. Please make sure you have double-checked that there are no white leading or trailing spaces. You can also choose to select an address from your address book. Depending on what your two-factor settings are, you will be prompted to enter your code here. For example, this could be your PIN code or an email dynamic code sent to your registered email address. We recommend setting up a dynamic two-factor authentication method. See our article in the Help Center about how to set this up. The Withdrawal Submitted window will now appear. Click Done to submit your withdrawal. An email will be sent to your registered email address. You need to click the Confirm Withdrawal button in the email to finalize the withdrawal. Your withdrawal will remain as unconfirmed until you click either Confirm Withdraw or Cancel Withdraw in your email. Please bear in mind this email will expire after 24 hours. Now your withdrawal is confirmed. You can also transfer any cryptocurrency coin held in your Cryptopia account to another Cryptopia account by using our transfer function. Check our article, How Do I Make a Transfer, in the Help Center for more information. Happy trading!